bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are blending up a simple yet gorgeous, antioxidant-rich argan plum body oil. So this beautiful golden body oil stars two of my favorite carrier oils, plum kernel oil and argan oil. Plum kernel oil is pressed from the kernels of the plum, Kelsapries, and it smells wonderfully of marzipan. It's just gorgeous. Not a lot of carrier oils have really, distinct scents that are pleasant and come through in our final products, so that makes plum oil extra special. And in addition to the gorgeous marzipan-y scent that it has, that it also brings to this finished product, it also just has a super gorgeous, really luxurious skin feel. Argan oil was the first carrier oil I ever fell in love with. One of my friends introduced me to it back when I was in university, and it's just been love ever since. It's a gorgeous, really luxurious feeling, vitamin-rich oil that has been used in skincare and hair care in Morocco for centuries, and just mwah. So those two lovely oils form the bulk of our formulation. I've also included some fractionated coconut oil to lighten it up a bit, and then two of my favorite antioxidants. We've got vitamin E and Coenzyme Q10. So Coenzyme Q10 has some great anti-aging properties and can also help prevent and repair UV damage, which is always a useful thing, but especially useful as we are going into longer, warmer, sunnier days here in the Northern Hemisphere. So I have called this a body oil, but if you want to put this on your face, there's absolutely no reason you couldn't. You could even put it in your hair if your hair really likes oil. I know for myself, this would be too rich for my hair in any kind of meaningful amount, but you know you and you know your hair, so if it works for you, that's awesome. It's now like a triple use product. Making this is crazy simple. We're just stirring everything together. You can stir it in a beaker, you can mix it in your bottle. It is totally up to you. As always, please make sure you're reading the full partner blog post linked in the description box below this video. You'll find heaps of extra awesome information down there, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, links to places to buy all the ingredients. Yeah, just lots of great stuff, very much worth a read. Without further ado, let's get started. We're going to begin with the three oils that make up the bulk of this body oil. So we'll start with the plum oil. This was a gift from Essential Wholesale. So we're going to need 7.6 grams of plum oil. And so this is a gorgeous silky oil that smells wonderfully of marzipan, and that's where the scent for this product is coming from. It's absolutely lovely. And so when you are shopping for this oil, make sure you're reading the description and checking the reviews to make sure that the one that you're getting does have that lovely marzipan scent, because I have heard from some of my readers that not all plum kernel oils smell really, really lovely. And I mean, it doesn't have to smell really, really lovely, but gosh, it sure is nice when it does. So our next oil is argan oil. We're going to need 6 grams of this. So I use a virgin non-deodorized version of argan oil. And if you've never bought argan oil before, make sure you're buying it from a cosmetic supplier. You can buy it at Sephora, but it is so expensive, whereas it's really very reasonably priced if you buy it from somewhere like New Directions Aromatics, which is where this bottle is from. And then our last oil is fractionated coconut oil or medium chain triglycerides. You'll need 6 grams of that. And if you'd like some substitutions for this, make sure you're reading the blog post linked in the description box below this video. And then it's time for our last 2 ingredients, 2 gorgeous antioxidants. So we're going to need 0.2 grams of each of these. So this here is vitamin E. So this is the mixed tocopherols 50, the MT50 version. There is a Humblebee and Me encyclopedia entry on this, so make sure you give that a read to learn more. And then I'm also including 0.2 grams of this Coenzyme Q10 product from Lotion Crafter. For more information, make sure you're looking this up in the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia. These are both beautiful antioxidants that really turn up the skin-loving benefits of this body oil. So with everything in the beaker, we will just stir this together. I wasn't expecting this to kind of be as viscous as it is, but I think that's quite neat. It does mean it wouldn't work well in a mister bottle, but you could use it in a treatment pump bottle if you have one. And then to package it, I'm going to use this frosted glass dropper bottle from Humblebee. This was a gift, and this is just more of the same product in the bottle. So I'm just gonna top it off here with this second batch. And I've got about 15 mils of oil left in here, so I can pop that in a little 1/2 ounce dropper bottle and make sure that nothing goes to waste. So that's it for the making. For a bit of a application demo here, I'll just pop a few drops on the back of my hand. So it has a really lovely marzipan-y, kind of almondy scent. It's definitely oil, so I wouldn't say it's, not oily at all, but it has a gorgeous sort of silky skin feel, spreads really beautifully, and leaves the skin feeling quite sort of satiny and soft. You can see there's just a little bit of an added sheen, and yeah, smells beautiful. And as long as you're not, really liberally applying it, I find that it doesn't leave you feeling oily after, 30 or 40 seconds. It also smells so good, as I think I've said before. And also, I hope you're appreciating this extraordinarily awkward and strange camera angle. And there we go. So we just made a gorgeous, sunny, marzipan-scented argan plum body oil. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please make sure you are reading the full partner blog post linked in the description box below this video to learn more about this formulation and find links to places to buy all the ingredients, information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, just heaps of great extra info. But yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.